Hello viewers, let's discuss Introduction to Cryptocurrency. What you need to know before investing in this video. Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option and a topic of interest for many individuals seeking to diversify their portfolios or participate in the growing digital economy. Here's an introduction to cryptocurrency and what you need to know before investing. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on decentralized networks called blockchain technology. Unlike traditional fiat currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and typically not controlled by any single entity or government. 2. Key characteristics of cryptocurrency. A. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, meaning they are not controlled or regulated by a central authority, such as a government or financial institution. B. Security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. Blockchain technology ensures transparency, immutability, and tamper resistance. C. Digital transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions are conducted digitally, typically through peer-to-peer networks, without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. This allows for fast, low-cost transactions across borders. D. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a fixed or limited supply, meaning there is a maximum number of coins or tokens that can ever be created. 3. Types of cryptocurrencies. A. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold and is used as a store of value and medium of exchange. B. Altcoins. Altcoins refer to alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and thousands of others. Each altcoin has its unique features, use cases, and underlying technology. 4. Risks and considerations. A. Volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their extreme volatility, with prices often experiencing rapid and unpredictable fluctuations. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries a high level of risk and potential for significant losses. B. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies varies by country and is subject to change. Regulatory uncertainty and government intervention can impact the legality, adoption, and valuation of cryptocurrencies. C. Security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are vulnerable to security breaches, hacking attacks, and fraud. It's crucial to choose reputable exchanges and implement robust security measures to protect your digital assets. 5. Tips for investing in cryptocurrency. A. Do your research. Educate yourself about the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and the specific projects or assets you're interested in investing in. Research the team behind the project, its technology, use cases, and market potential. B. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk in cryptocurrency investing. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies, asset classes, and investment strategies to minimize exposure to any single asset or risk factor. C. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investing carries inherent risks, including the potential for significant losses. Only invest money that you can afford to lose and avoid investing funds earmarked for essential expenses or financial obligations. 6. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency investing offers opportunities for potentially high returns, but also comes with significant risks and challenges. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's essential to understand the fundamentals, risks, and considerations involved.